YNAB, You Need a Budget Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Links to YNAB are in the description below. Today, we're reviewing YNAB, a budgeting app designed for people who want to take control of their money and truly understand where it's going. YNAB's approach is unique in that it helps users prioritize their spending and align their budgeting with their personal financial goals. Unlike traditional budgeting tools, YNAB encourages users to assign every dollar a job, ensuring that your money is actively working for you. One of the standout features of YNAB is its proactive approach to budgeting. Instead of tracking expenses after the fact, YNAB asks you to plan ahead. You allocate funds to categories based on your priorities, whether it's for bills, savings, or personal spending. The app uses a zero-based budgeting system, which means you assign every dollar of income a purpose. This method helps users avoid overspending and ensures that there's no ambiguity about how funds are allocated. YNAB's interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to track your progress. It automatically updates your bank accounts and credit cards, categorizing transactions and providing a real-time view of your budget. This feature eliminates the manual work of entering every expense, giving you more time to focus on adjusting your budget as life changes. The app also provides reports that help you assess your financial trends, making it easier to understand your spending habits and plan for future goals. YNAB is ideal for individuals who want to break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and take a more hands-on approach to their finances. It's perfect for users who have a goal in mind, whether it's saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. The app is available on both desktop and mobile, allowing you to manage your budget from anywhere. In conclusion, YNAB is a powerful tool for people who are serious about budgeting and long-term financial health. Its unique approach to budgeting and goal setting makes it stand out from the competition. Check the description for links and further details.